How to fix apps not showing on Google Play Store. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your Play Store. At the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on the option of settings. Now click on the option of about. Over here, you'll find this option of update Play Store. Go ahead and click on it. Once you update your Play Store, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings app. Now head towards the option of apps. Now navigate to the option of manage apps. Now over here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Play Store and search for it. Once app appears, open it. Now at the bottom right corner you can find the option of clear data. Click on it. Click on clear cache. Click on OK. Likewise click on clear all data. Click on OK. And then click on force stop. Click on OK. Now you can give a fresh restart to your device, and with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix apps not showing on Google Play Store. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.